Natanggap mo na ba? Acceptance is hard, lalo na pag may nangyaring hindi maganda sa buhay mo. Dadaan talaga tayo sa denial stage. Yung hindi tayo makapaniwala na ito na yung nangyayari. Hindi tayo makapaniwala na hindi natuloy, hindi tayo makapaniwala na may sakit tayo, or hindi tayo makapaniwala na nawala na yung isang tao na mahal natin. Pero alam natin na in order to move forward in life, we have to accept it. Pero masakit kasi, kaya mahirap tanggapin. Mahirap tanggapin pag may clenched fist tayo. Pag clenched fist, ibig sabihin galit ka, or ayaw mong ibigay, or ayaw mong magpapasok. And that is why the posture of surrender will always be open palms. Open palms can mean two things, na tinatanggap mo na at binibigay mo na rin. Kaya popular yung phrase na let go and let God. So let God heal you. Let God give you the grace to forgive yourself, to forgive others. And most of all, let God love you. Tanggapin mo ang kanyang pagmamahal. Papasukin mo siya sa puso mo at hayaan mo siyang manirahan sa iyo. And once we accept the bitter things in our life, we would start to cope and we would start to heal. Magiging masaya ka ulit at hindi lang yun, mas magiging matatag ka sa iyong pananampalataya. Sa pagtanggap na yan, ikaw din ay gagamitin na tumulong sa iba to help others accept the change that's happening in their lives. My prayer is that you go through the process of acceptance and healing and be able to bless others with your experience.